So good morning. In this session, we are going to discuss about a case study on our driver assistance system, and we can have an interactive session. Okay. So let us discuss what are the models available now, and what are the cars companies have implemented the driver assistance system, and what are the latest updates in that assistance system. So can I get a few points from your side?
Recently, we have seen that in Volkswagen, we can see it will see the driver's action. If driver get he gets fatigue or any some he gets something dizziness or the automatically car detects it goes to the outside of the light.
Okay, super.
Tesla introduced a driverless car driving system last month from manufacturing plant to buyer house without driver or any obstacles with highways. It automatically delivers to the buyer.
Yes, so we have assistant like if the driver is sleeping condition, it can identify it and it can help to get out of my lane, and it has a self-servicing also. So any other assisting systems? Can I get any point?
Apart from four-wheelers, heavy vehicles like lorries and heavy load carrying trucks are also companies are also implementing the systems like monitoring the driver's action and controlling the speed of the vehicle.
Okay.
So nowadays, it is implemented in cars, vehicle to everything, like V2X. It will note about the infrastructures of the cars and make the right decisions to what we want to do.
Yes. So can you tell me where this idea has boomed from? Why the driver needs an assistance there?
Because of accidents.
Cause of accidents. Yes, we have a reason as a major cause, so that an idea has been arise to implement this. So is it the only thing the accident occurs due to an driver's carelessness?
No.
No, there's a failure from my internal system also. So what are the failures? Can you list down any of one item or any one failure from your system that causes accidents?
Braking.
Braking, very good. So that comes my anti-braking system or auto-lock braking system. You can have various terms in that. So can you tell me any one car or any company which uses this ABS? Mahindra, very good. So what is the operation of it? Can you brief it?
Automatically systems used for in rainy days when they non-ABS vehicle will skip, ABS vehicle will not skip.
So have you any of idea like how it is measured and how it, the operating principle is done in ABS? So we know driver assistance is nothing but assist to the driver, but not only the identification of drowsiness or identification of alcohol drink, not only that. Apart from that, we have another assistance systems like ABS, and this ABS is not only have implemented only in braking system, also in automatic parking in same Tesla. Automatic parking. This is also assistant to one driver, right? There are no need of risk to see the parking lot, or I don't have to risk of taking in any of miscarriage. So there comes my automatic parking system. So what is the main idea behind the parking system? What are the components it may include?
In India, recently, Tata had implemented this idea in Tata Harrier. The model is called Tata Harrier. They implement like a keyless model. It will control through a remote. If you once you park the car, if the car is many cars surrounded, you can't go inside the car door. You can use that key and press the button, and automatically car come out.
Yes. So you have seen in movies, I have one smart key. I just go out of my gate, I just press the key, the car takes out of the lane and comes automatically out to near the gate. So it automatically pick my customers or passengers. So it is also well trained, right? So that comes my pure programming side also. So we know as a driver assistance, we are going for the only that identification and helping of the parking, that's all. But apart from that, for the full automator side, we have to focus on my programming also. if one system in my programming fails, or one component in my electronic system fails, or in any of my chases design fails, everything will be collapsed. So driver assistance system is not only one part, it is divided into subparts. I have to focus on my chassis design, my body part designing should be focused, electronic components should be focused, my engine has to be taken care, and my other applications like embedding system that has to be taken care. And nowadays we have lot of vacancies in the car companies for an embedded engineer. Can you get any point regarding that? Have you gone through any job vacancies for an embedded engineer in a car company?
There is a Bosch company. They are recruiting people for embedded systems. They are producing the products for automobile industry. So Bosch is the one of the biggest sector in supplying the parts of the parts to the automobile industry.
Very good. And I have a company like Next Solution. So they are tier 2 companies to the next to the Bosch. So they are working on the automatic steering system. So here, every part has to be manufactured individually and it has to be interfaced very carefully. So they are working on the automatic steering and they need a help of an embedded engineer. Why? Because a driver should not sit in a seat and driver is not going to handle the steer, but the steer has to be rotated right and left depending upon the speed and depending upon the instruction from the engine or from the chassis design, and everything has to be interfaced. So that a mechanical engineer alone is not required, it's not enough. And whereas a programming engineer alone is not enough. That should be an electronics engineer where they have to tell whether the sensing of the speed is accurate or not. If the sensing of speed is not accurate, it then collapses your whole system. So you have more vacancies in that also, not only in JSS design and not only in pure IT. An embedded engineer has also in vacancies in these types of sectors. So I think you can go through a lot of companies in automotive itself where the automatic and unmanned vehicles have been designed. You can find a lot of job vacancies which are really unknown for us. So have a glance of it, and if any case you can have an help with me, you can contact. Thank you.